Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shikhar Kanti. In this video, we solve some more variational problems. This is an example. Find the extremal of y equal to integral a to b y dash square divided by y square into dx. Okay. Here, my f is y dash square divided by y square. Means there is no x term. This is independent of x. So my f is independent of x. If f is independent of x, then we have this equation, that is f minus y dash into dou f by dou y dash is equal to a. And this implies f is y dash square divided by y square minus y dash into dou f by dou y dash. Dou f by dou y dash is here 1 by y square is a constant quantity. Y dash square derivative is 2y dash, that is 2y dash by y square is equal to a. Now multiplying throughout by y square, we get this is y dash square minus 2y dash square is equal to a into y square, right? So that is here y dash is left hand side is y dash square minus 2y dash square, that is minus y dash square. Minus y dash square equal to a into y square, or y dash square is equal to minus a into y square. Now if we take the square root here, we get y dash, left hand side is y dash equal to right hand side root of this, root of minus a, I will take some other constant quantity, say b into y square, root of y square is equal to y. Y dash means this is dy by dx, so dy by dx is equal to b into y, separating the variables, dy by y equal to b into dx. Now integrating, we get log of y, dy by y integration log of y equal to right hand side b into x, b dx, b into x, plus the constant of integration is c, or we write y equal to e to the power of bx plus c, y equal to e to the power of bx plus c, that is y equal to e to the power of bx into e to the power of c. So that is y equal to e to the power of bx into, I will write that e to the power of c as some other constant quantity, say d, because c is a constant quantity, e to the power of c is another constant quantity. This is equal to d. So this is the solution. Next example, show that the solution of Euler's equation for the integral a to b root of 1 plus y dash square divided by y dx is a circle. Okay. So in this example, my f is root of 1 plus y dash square divided by y. Okay. And we can observe that this is independent of x. So that is here f equal to root of 1 plus y dash square divided by y. This is independent of x. If this is independent of x, then we have f minus y dash into dou f by dou y dash is equal to constant quantity a. So that is substituting here f is root of 1 plus y dash square divided by y minus y dash as it is into dou f by dou y dash, dou f by dou y dash. Dou f by dou y dash is 1 by y is a constant quantity, I will keep this as it is, and this y dash I will keep this as it is here. Dou f by dou y dash, derivative of this root is 1 by 2 root of 1 plus y dash square. I have not written 2 here because this 2 gets cancelled. Okay, first root derivative is 1 by 2 root of 1 plus y dash square into, I have to write the derivative of this 1 plus y dash square. 1 plus y dash square derivative with respect to y dash is 2 into y dash. So that is 2y dash. 2 gets cancelled. So I am getting y dash into y dash divided by y into root of 1 plus y dash square is equal to a. Multiplying this equation throughout by y into root of 1 plus y dash square. Okay. So multiplying here, this y gets cancelled. So here we get 1 plus y dash square minus this term gets cancelled. I am getting y dash square is equal to right side a into y into root of 1 plus y dash square. So on the left hand side we have y dash square minus y dash square gets cancelled. We get only 1 here on the left hand side. 1 equal to, and if I square this equation we get, so 1 square is 1 itself, a square y square into 1 plus y dash square. Okay, then so here dividing this equation throughout by a square y square, I am getting 1 by a square y square equal to, right hand side is, I am dividing by a square y square means on the right hand side I am getting just 1 plus y dash square. So that is here 1 by a square y square. Taking this on to the left hand side I will get minus 1. 1 by a square y square minus 1 is equal to y dash square, or y dash square equal to 1 by a square y square minus 1. And taking LCM a square y square LCM we get 1 minus a square y square. Okay, I am getting this equation. Now taking root onto this equation we get on the left hand side y dash square is there. Taking root I will get y dash is equal to, right hand side numerator is root of 1 minus a square y square. Denominator is a into y because I am taking root here, right? So that is dy by dx is equal to root of 1 minus a square y square divided by a y. Just we have to separate the variables and integrating we get the solution. So here we get ay dy divided by root of 1 minus a square y square is equal to dx. So again the same formula whatever we have used this in previous example, function to the power of n into function dash x dx is equal to function to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, so here okay, if I write this in the numerator, what happens? I have to write this as 1 minus a square y square to the power of minus 1 by 2. Okay, and here with this I need its derivative. Derivative of this quantity is minus 2a square y. So for that I have to multiply this by minus 2a, divide that by minus 2a, and integrating as in the previous example, that is before that example where we have used this formula. Integrating we get function using the function to the power of n function dash x dx. After integrating I will get this one, minus of root of 1 minus a square y square divided by y is equal to x plus b. Okay, so that is, again if I square this one we get minus becomes plus, this will be 1 minus a square y square, and in the denominator I have a squaring this will become a square. I am writing that a square on the right hand side. So that is on the left hand side 1 minus a square y square is equal to a square into x plus b whole square, or dividing throughout by a square. This equation I am getting 1 by a square minus this will be y square equal to, this will be just x plus b whole square. Or if I write onto this side here we can write this as x plus b whole square plus y square equal to 1 by a square. X plus b whole square plus y square is equal to 1 by a square, and this is in the form of x plus h whole square, x plus x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to r square. Okay, this is in the form of x minus alpha square plus y minus beta square is equal to r square, and this represents a circle. Okay, this is a circle. Next, one more example. Solve the variation problem 1 to 2 x square y dash square plus 2y into x plus y into dx with y of 1 equal to y of 2 equal to 0. So when x is equal to 1, y equal to 0. When x equal to 2, y equal to 0. And this consisting of all x, y, y dash. Therefore, I have to use the Euler's equation. Okay, my f is x square y dash square plus 2xy plus 2y square. So this is my f. This is my Euler's equation. Here substituting for dou f by dou y and dou f by dou y dash. What is dou f by dou y? Differentiating this with respect to y, first term is equal to 0 because this is independent of y. And second term 2x, okay, 2x plus derivative of this is 4y, 2x plus 4y, 2x plus 4y minus d by dx of dou f by dou y dash, dou f by dou y dash. Differentiating this with respect to y dash, x square constant quantity, y dash square is 2y dash, that is 2x square y dash. I am getting 2x square y dash, and derivative of this is 0, derivative of this is 0. 2x plus 4y minus d by dx of 2x square y dash is equal to 0. So that is 2x plus 4y minus d by dx of this quantity. I have to differentiate this with respect to x. Taking 2x square as the first function, y dash as the second function. Then we get first function 2x square into y dash derivative y double dash. Next, plus. And here minus is there, therefore I have to write minus. Minus into plus is minus. Second function is y dash into derivative of first. Derivative of 2x square is 4x is equal to 0. So that is, I am getting here, I can divide this equation throughout by 2. This will become x, this will become 2y, this will become x square y double dash, this will become 2xy dash. Okay. So, after dividing by 2, I am getting minus x square y double dash. Writing on the right hand side, we get x square y double dash. Okay. And minus 2xy dash. Writing on the right hand side, we get plus 2xy dash. And 4y, this is 2y because I have divided by 2 already. 2y, writing on the right hand side, it will become minus 2y is equal to x. That is x square y double dash plus 2x into y dash minus 2y is equal to x. This is a second order linear differential equation, non-homogeneous differential equation with variable coefficients. And to solve this equation, this is x square d square plus 2x into d minus 2 into y is equal to x. And we know the method of solving such equations. If it is like this, then we go for substitution. Put x equal to e raised to z. If I put x equal to e raised to z, then z equal to log x. And replace x square y double dash by d into d minus 1 into y. And x into y dash by d into y, where this d is equal to d by dz. Okay. So that is x square y double dash plus 2x into y dash minus 2y is equal to x. So that is, this is a d into d minus 1, d into d minus 1 into y plus this is a 2x into this d is 2dy minus 2y is equal to e to the power of z. Okay. And multiplying we get d square minus d plus 2d minus 2. That is d square plus d minus 2. D square plus d minus 2. D square plus d minus 2 into y is equal to e to the power of z. Okay. And to find the solution here, we have to find the complementary function and the particular integral. Complementary function is To find the complementary function, the auxiliary equation is m square plus m minus 2 equal to 0. And solving this auxiliary equation, I am getting factorizing, we get m plus 2 into m minus 1 is equal to 0. This gives m equal to minus 2, m equal to plus 1. These two are real and distinct. Therefore, complementary function is y equal to a into e to the power of minus 2 z I have to write because independent variable here is z. A into e to the power of minus 2z plus b into e to the power of z. And particular integral is given by 1 by, you can write this or you can write like this also, d plus 2 into d minus 1 into e raised to z. So if e raised to ax is there, then replace d by a if the denominator is not equal to 0. So here my a equal to 1, I can't put 1 here because this becomes 0. I can put 1 here. Then this becomes 1 by 1 plus 2, that is 1 by 3 into 1 by d minus 1 into e to the power of z. And if this denominator becomes 0, then we have to write the particular integral as like this. That is, if the denominator becomes 0, that is if it is 1 by d minus a into e raised to ax, then its particular integral is given by x into e raised to x. Here z into e raised to z. So that is, complete solution is given by complementary function plus particular integral. So that is y equal to complementary function is a into e raised to minus 2z plus b into e raised to z plus 1 by 3 into z into e raised to z. Again we have to convert this in terms of x. So that is y equal to a into, this is x to the power of minus 2 e raised to minus 2z because we have e raised to z equal to x. Okay, x to the power of minus 2 plus, this is our b into x plus 1 by 3 into z into e raised to z. So e raised to z is log x. This is our e raised to, okay, this is our x, okay, e raised to x log x, x log x, z equal to log x, e raised to z equal to x. Okay, x equal, we have taken x equal to e raised to z, x equal to e raised to z. This becomes z is equal to log of x. So that is y equal to a into x to the power of minus 2 plus b into x plus 1 by 3 into x log x. And we have to find the constants a and b. We use the boundary conditions. The first boundary condition is y of 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1, y equal to 0. I put a y equal to 0 here. X equal to 1 means this will be a, this is plus b, and this is 0 because log of 1, log is there, log 1 becomes 0. So that is left hand side is 0 equal to right hand side a plus b. So a plus b is equal to 0. I will take this as a 1. And second one, second boundary condition, y of 2 equal to 0 is given. This implies y of 2 equal to 0. Y equal to 0, I am substituting here. If I put x equal to 2, means 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4, that is a by 4, a by 4 plus. I am putting x equal to 2 here, this will be 2b plus 1 by 3 into x equal to 2 log 2 is equal to 0. Now using 1 into, what is 1? 1 is a plus b is equal to 0. A plus b equal to 0. You can write a equal to minus b. Substituting a equal to minus b and simplifying. This become minus b by 4 plus this is 2b. So 8b minus 1b, 7b by 4 equal to minus 2 log 2 divided by 3, or b equal to 4 into 2 minus 4 into 8 log 2 divided by 21. This is our b. And substituting the value of b here, we get the value, it's negative. So that is a equal to 8 into log 2 divided by 21. Substituting in this equation, we get y equal to 8 log 2 by 21 into x to the power minus 2 minus 8 log 2 by 21 into x plus 1 by 3 into x log x. This is the required solution. Okay. We'll go to another example. Solve the variational problem 0 to 1 y square minus y dash plus y dash square into dx. This is my f. Again here we have there is no x term. This is independent of x. Right? F is y square minus y dash plus y dash square. This is independent of x. If this is independent of x, then we have f minus y dash into dou f by dou y dash is equal to a. What is f? F is y square minus y dash plus y dash square minus y dash into dou f by dou y dash. Dou f by dou y dash is differentiating this with respect to y dash. Derivative of this is 0. Derivative of this is minus y plus 2y dash minus y plus 2y dash is equal to constant quantity a. So this is y square minus y dash plus y dash square minus into minus plus. Okay. Plus y dash. This plus y dash minus y dash gets cancelled and minus y dash into 2y dash is minus 2y dash square minus 2y dash square. Minus 2y dash square plus 1y dash square is minus y dash square. So on the left hand side we are getting y square minus y dash square equal to constant quantity a, or y dash square is equal to y square minus a. Or taking the square root, we get y dash is equal to root of y square minus a. Now this y dash is nothing but dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to root of y square minus a. I will write this as dy by root of y square minus a is equal to dx. That dy by root of y square minus a. I will write that minus a as say plus c square. This is another constant quantity is equal to dx. Okay, where c square is equal to minus a. And now integrating this, what is the integration of this? This is sine hyperbolic inverse of y by c is equal to x plus constant of integration is b. Sine hyperbolic y by c is equal to x plus b, or we can write y by c equal to sine hyperbolic of x plus b. This is the required solution. Okay. Thank you. I will stop here. Okay, I'll stop here.